Hi students, this is a chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas session 6. Now previously we studied exercise 4.5 about the quadrilateral. Now we will see or we will learn the uh, parts of a circle. Okay, previously parts of quadrilateral, parts of circle. Now this is a circle with the center, suppose C. Okay, center C. Now if I'll join this and this, the line which is going from the center of the circle, then this is called as a diameter. Suppose here I am giving the A and suppose here B. Okay, now this AB line which is going from the center of the circle is called as a diameter. AB is diameter of a circle, diameter of a circle. Now when I'll draw the line, suppose from C to, suppose this is P. Okay, then this CP or CP is radius of the circle, radius of the circle. This line CP is radius of the circle. Okay, then suppose I'll draw one another line which is going from the center of the circle here, suppose PM. Then this PM is equal to AB. Whatever the distance of PM is there is equal to PAB. This PM is a diameter, PM is also diameter and AB is diameter, and for the one circle any diameter is of the same length. So PM is equal length to the AB. Now CP, suppose CB, then CB is equal to CP. CB, this one is equal to CP. This is radius. Suppose this is 4 centimeters. Suppose 4 centimeter, then this diameter PM will be of 6 centimeter. So if it is 4 centimeter, then diameter AB will be 2 into CP or 2 into CB, that is nothing but 8 centimeter. Okay, 8 centimeter. Always the diameter is double of the radius. Always the diameter is double of the radius. Then next thing is chord. Now chord is nothing but the line which is joining the 2 points on the circle. Suppose here M, here it should be T. Okay, because P again 2 times it is, so radius here PM, not TM. Take here TM. Okay, because P point again here. Now chord. So chord is nothing but the line which is joining 2 points on the circle. Suppose this point and this point, TP. TP is nothing but the chord of a circle. Okay, TP. Or suppose here somewhere I am taking another point N. Okay, then if I'll join this one, then MN is nothing but also chord. The chord is nothing but the length which will, or the line which will join the 2 points on the circle. Instead of this one, see, diameter is also joining 2 points on the circle, then diameter is also on chord only. But see, highest chord of the circle is a diameter. Highest chord of circle is nothing but diameter. Okay, then next thing is interior part of the circle and exterior part of the circle. Like quadrilateral, interior part and exterior part of the circle is available. Okay, then this total is called as a circumference of a circle, and circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, circumference means start from the P point and go like this. When you'll come to the point P, then this one is called as a circumference of the circle, and circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, this is not needed now, but this circumference. Now see, if I'll go from A to T, the portion of this of a circle, the portion from A to T of a circle, okay, not this line, only for this portion, that is nothing but called as a arc, called as a arc AT is nothing but this, okay, arc. If I'll say chord AT, then this one is the chord, okay, line joining the 2 points. But arc is nothing but actual portion of the circle, okay, actual portion of the circle. Then next thing is, this is another circle with the center C. Now this is the chord, suppose AB, then the portion from the chord and the circle, this is called as what? Segment. This is called as segment. See, then next thing is, if I'll draw this, then what we call for this, this is nothing but sector of a circle. Sector, inside area is nothing but sector of a circle. Okay, what we are learned? Diameter, suppose diameter, this one is diameter, this one is radius, this one is this one is chord, this one is arc. Okay, this one is arc, and inside this is segment, this is sector. Another thing is, from, if I'll start from this, then total full circle, around the circle distance is called as a circumference. Then next thing is, diameter is double of radius, and radius is half of the diameter. Okay, and the diameter is the maximum chord of a circle. Okay, these all things. Then now next you have to go to the exercise 4.6. Before going this, see, half of the circle, full is circumference, then half of the circle is called as a semicircle. Then from the figure identify the center of a circle, diameter. See, this is the figure, and you have to identify center of the circle is point O. Diameter is AC. See, diameter is nothing but 2 points joining, and the line has to go from the center of the circle. 2 points in the interior, 2 points, any 2 points, P, O. Okay, only 2 points are there, P and O, point P and O. A sector. See, sector means what? This one. Okay, and segment means what? This one. Then sector AOB, this has to come in middle, sector AOB. Okay, now 3 radii means radius. Okay, OB, OA, OC, 3 are the radius. Okay, OB, OC and OA. Okay, chord ED, this is also chord. AC is also chord only, but maximum chord, that is nothing but diameter. Okay, point in the exterior is Q. A segment is ED, okay, segment ED. Okay, not chord ED. Chord ED means this will come, but segment ED means this will come. Okay, then is every diameter of a circle is also chord? Yes, and every diameter of the circle is a chord only, and it is the maximum chord of a circle. Is every chord of a circle is a diameter? No. See, chord is nothing but this one, but every chord will not going from the center. If the chord is going from the center, then it is diameter. Otherwise, it will chord only, not a diameter. Then next thing, draw any circle and mark its center, a diameter, a segment, a point is in its exterior, a radius, a sector, a point in its interior, and arc. Okay, this all the things are available in this figure. You can draw this figure only. Okay, fine, but names should be different, or with the same names also you can draw this diagram. Since say true or false, two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. Is it? See, if one diameter is there, if I'll draw another diameter, then it will intersect only. Every time it will intersect at the center. So, true. Then the center of a circle is always in its interior. Of course, center of the circle is in always interior. So, this is also true. True, true. Okay. Then the chapter 4 is over. Then you have to try to solve the workbook. If any difficulties are there, then you can personally ask me on my number. Okay, thank you students.